Yeah, now it's okay. So first of all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Namaste.
Yeah. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also well. Thank you for asking me.
See you.
So how was
Yes.
your New Year? Because the New Year week.
Yes, it's going good. And
Okay.
first day was very good. Actually, we are on the other island, so it was very fantastic. Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, yes, we are meeting for the first time. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. This is Dharambir Singh, and I belong to Bihar, Gopalganj district. And if we comes to my education, so I have done my graduation and diploma in fire industrial safety, and recently I have done NIBOS IGC certification course, and I am a safety officer, and I work as a professional and at Maldives, and I have been working for 2 years in a Maldives. And I am a learner, English learner, and I want to enhance my uh, English skills. That's why I'm in front of you. Yes,
Okay, nice to hear that. Okay, okay. So can I introduce myself?
yes, ma'am. Please, I am.
Okay, okay, okay. So my name is Ruby Chaurasiya. I'm connecting with you from Ghaziabad, the city of UP. And speaking about my qualifications, so I have done post graduation in political science and B.Ed as well. Comes to my pride and joy moment, so I love to read books because nowadays I'm working on improving my communication. And apart from that, I love to talk with co-learners. That's all about me.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. Nice to meet you,
So
ma'am.
nowadays you stay, yeah, nowadays you stay in which place exactly?
Maldives, you heard about?
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I know. I heard about.
Yes.
Your native place is Bihar. Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
Ma'am, you are basically belongs to Bihar, Ghaziabad.
no, my native place is nearby Banaras.
Yes.
So I want to ask
Ma'am,
you, like, for
yes.
improving your English communication skill, which type of steps are you following nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm I read one two page, and I watch one two conversation videos, and I talk one two co-learners partners, and
Okay.
I'm trying to did session more and more, but uh, I don't have any contact number. So
Okay.
these things
Okay.
I'm doing.
So are you using any free application? Because nowadays a lot of application available. We can use those application for improving purpose. So are you using?
Yes, ma'am. Right now I'm using Hybro app.
Okay.
Hybro app. Yes,
And
yes.
how's your
But I
experience?
want. Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask you about your experience on Hybro app. That was good. That is good for learner.
Y- you- Yes, that is good. But while talking, eye contact must be important. So,
Yeah, non-verbal
uh,
communication, we can say.
yes. So, Hybro app owners need to some changes and implement some things, video calls like then will be better. Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yes,
What do you
for me.
understand? Yeah. What do you understand by this quote? Health is wealth. After hearing this word, what comes in your mind? Because
Health
nowadays
is,
health is very important. Yeah, it's a famous quote. I think everyone's know about.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, you
Yeah.
can start.
Yeah, of course. I will start. So as you know, health is very very important. If you have a lot of if you have a money and you are suffering from some health issues, so it doesn't matter. And I have seen around in my society a lot of people, they without having a lot of money, they're living a happily life. Because
Okay.
nowadays a lot of people, they are suffering from some health issues like a stress, anxiety, lot of things. So we should deal
Yes.
with them, this problem, and we should try to make healthy. We should try to consume good food and try to add some like a exercise and meditation, yoga. So and if we are healthy, so maybe we are blessed.
Right.
Yeah, by God. We shouldn't take
Actually,
it granted. So yeah, can you share your point of view on this quotation? What comes in your mind when you heard this quotation? Just one or two
yeah,
line, whatever you might.
yes, ma'am. As we know about the health is very important uh, compared to wealth. Because if you have good health, you can earn lot of wealth. Okay, sir. So
Yes.
if you want to uh, good your health, so you should do some things like running and gym, yoga. You can do like this, but you should maintain in other hand, you should maintain your uh, um, it food, also diet, sorry, diet. You should maintain your
Yes.
diet. You
Yeah, we should
ignore
try to consume good food.
food.
I mean, nutritious full
Yes,
food. We should try.
yes, yes, yes. We should try to consume good food, and we ignore fast food.
Yeah.
If you are going to eat fast food will damage slowly, not directly. They will damage you in slowly. So you
Yes.
consume good food, and ignore fast food, and uh, you you should run 1-2 kilometer in the morning in every day. um, and if you don't like to run, so you can go to gym. Otherwise you can do yoga, anything, but you should do one thing.
Have you inculcated any like a meditation yoga in your daily routine? Have you added?
No, actually, we go to the gym on the daily
Okay.
basis. Yes, yes,
Okay.
because I like gym and running. Not I'm not interested in yoga, but I like running and gym. Yes.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Not recently, I'm on and off with meditation. I have started, but I'm not consist. It's really not a cup of tea for me, just sitting in a one place and focusing on a breath. So that's why. Yeah. But I
Right.
feel really good. Maybe I will try. I will again try in
Yes,
upcoming
yes.
months.
We should do one thing, at least one thing. We can't do all such things, but we should do one thing at least. If you
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
like yoga, if you don't like gym, so you should run 1-2 kilometers, and you can exercise one two exercise like for fat thing and muscles.
For being
You
a
can,
healthy. Yeah.
yes, for
Yes.
being yes, yes, you are right.
Yes. So we should try. Because now the health is very very important. Mental health as well as physical health, both are very very important. we can't neglect.
Yes, yes, we
Yes.
can't neglect.
Yeah.
During COVID-19, uh, we saw many businessmen and many uh, men we have gone die. Um, they had good wealth. They had good wealth, but they die because
Just because of,
they
yes,
don't. Yes, yes. They didn't. Um,
they
mm,
were neglecting their health.
yeah. Yes, yes. That's why we can
Yeah.
see this scenario. Yes, and we can learn.
Yeah, yeah. COVID-19 was the worst situation. Not for us, maybe entire the world. It's a really worst situation.
Yes.
So I want to know from you, uh, have you learned any new skill, new thing from 2023? Have you learned any new thing, new skill, whatever you learned from last year?
Yes, yes. I learned from last year. Uh,
Mm.
Actually, we should mm, maintain your health, and you should try to enhance your profession, and you should continue hard work for your
Yes.
goal and your related work, because actually
Yeah,
one good opportunity have gone my hand due
yeah,
to
yeah,
due
same here.
due to I don't uh, I had not good communication, English communication skill. That's why.
Okay, yeah, same. Last
But
year, I also
at
learned. I want
at
to.
that time I decided to. However, I have to complete, and I have to become a good speakers, English speakers.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. You will definitely. Even last year, I also learned. I want to work on my soft skill. Yes.
Okay.
So that's why last year I have created my YouTube channel, and nowadays I'm working on myself, my like skills, as well as I want to learn some technology also, how to work it, because I have technophobia,
Yes.
and
Okay.
nowadays very important. I mean, hands-on experience. I want to take hands-on experience about technology, how it's work. Yeah. So I want to know from you, you have taken any resolution this year?
Yes. Uh, First, my this is my first resolution. Uh, I have to make communication skill, and the
Okay.
second is actually my dreams to work in Europe country in an MNC company.
Okay.
So uh,
Okay.
I'm uh, I'm working hard. I'm doing hard work for my goals. Yes.
Okay. And we should, yeah, we should take resolution and we shouldn't take resolution. What is your opinion? Because someone take resolution, someone said that I don't believe it taking a resolution. So what is your
No,
opinion? We shouldn't take
no, man. If you are, yes, if you are not decided where we are going and where should I go, so how can you enhance your skill, yeah, experience? How
yeah.
can you? So
Yes.
you should maintain one diary. Other you can maintain or your mind. You have decided one way, then you will go slowly, and you can work for your goals day by day. So this
Yes.
yes, this is very important uh, for us.
Yeah, yeah, it's very, very important. If you are clarified with your goal, with your dream, with your like a resolution, I mean your plan, so you can easily follow the step and you can easily take it. Otherwise, you are always confused. If you are not okay with your resolution, if you are not serious about your resolution, which means you are playing with your life like that.
Right.
So it's better than stick with your resolution and try your level best like that. And I believe resolution is really important. And
Yes,
I
yes,
also
ma'am.
believe.
Very, this is very good for us, and it's playing a good role in our life.
Yes, of course,
Yeah.
of course. Because it's defined our future.
Ma'am,
If we have any plans,
your
we can easily work.
may I know about your new resilience 2024?
Yeah, of course, of course. I will work only myself. I mean, my soft skill. I told you, no, it's my resolution. And I try to enhance with the help of this thing. Yes, only one thing. Because I believe in taking one step at one time. So we can easily work on this. Otherwise, we are always confused. So that's why I have only one plan. I have only one resolution for this year. In future,
Yes.
I will try for professor.
Yes.
That's why I'm learning this
It's
language.
yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, and nowadays I'm also doing also like it's also part of my learning journey. I have created my YouTube channel, and nowadays I'm talking with so many of co-learner. And while talking, I feel really glad, really content when I talk with co-learner, teacher, tutor
Yes.
every time.
Yes. Yes.
And while conversation, while talking, I can learn gradually new thing, new words, new sentence like that,
Yes.
and I can rectify my mistake, which type of mistake I have done while speaking. Because while speaking, I'm doing many mistakes. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Actually, we are a beginner, so
Yeah,
um, yes, we should go by slowly, slowly. If you are go fast, so all words going up out of
yeah. Even I
head.
also
So
believe
yeah,
baby steps,
we have one. Yes, yes,
baby step. Don't try to think
yeah.
high jump in a first time. Otherwise, you fall down.
Yes, yes,
I mean, there's no shortcut. Some person says that we can do this thing with the help of shortcut. You know, but I don't believe. I believe in hard work, and hard work always pay you. What is your opinion
yes, yes.
about?
Yes, actually, ma'am, as you know, I'm doing a job and 10 to 20 hours I'm doing job. And other hand, I'm
20 hours?
preparing
20 hours
20,
in
no,
a
no,
day?
12, sorry. 12, yes, in a
Okay.
day, 10 to 12. Yes, I'm working, I work on my skills. So uh, I believe in a hard work and I'm doing also hard work every time. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay.
Have a great day.